respect each other's role and contribution. Forget supremacy. We only have one boss, and that's our God. As the supreme being, is the King of Kings. That is the supreme being. So who are we, all of us in this world? We are just a subject until we know that. So what I'm trying to do for Yoruba land is try and work towards how we can unite. United we stand, divided we fall. The day we unite in Yoruba land, then we will now know how powerful we are. So my dream for Yoruba land is the next generation should speak good of all of us. And don't forget, I will never say I'm the head of Yoruba land, no. Some people have been kings. I have to give them that respect. I carry them along, I talk to them, they've been there for a long time, longer than me.